Hey guys, it is Blood Moon Bobby here with Gaby, and we are at her friend Liv's house today because she's got the Nintendo Labo. And Liv, do you think you could explain what Labo is?
Basically, Labo is a toy that is used with your Nintendo Switch, and you basically just build all of the different cardboard pieces, and then you hook it up with your Switch, and you get to play with it. It's interactive. It's very good for kids. So we're gonna open it up, and we're gonna find out what's inside.
All right, and actually,
so this is the front of the box, and it basically shows Nintendo Switch. This is the variety pack. The other pack that you can get is Robot Kit. I do not have that one. It comes with the piano, and it comes with the fishing rod. It comes with the house, and it comes with the driver, and it comes with this one's supposed to be an RC car. And then on the back, it just shows pictures of people building it. It's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, the car one looks pretty cool. You can see kind of like a little design on that.
Yeah, it
That's
basically
really
shows the car. It shows you basically some of the pictures of people playing with it. I think the piano one for me actually looks the coolest because I heard you could like mix tape and do all that. And on the back, the other thing you can do is you can use the Labo to make your own like Labo kits. And then it also has a thing on the Labo where you can do like programming and make your own Labo kits. As you see, this guy turned his racket into a guitar, and he used the Joy-Con here and the Switch. That's actually pretty cool. Here's another one made a gun. That one actually looks really, really cool. So let's open it up and let's find out what's inside. What I'm gonna find inside is it comes with the Nintendo Labo, and it comes in a Nintendo Switch cartridge. Comes in a nice Nintendo Switch box there.
We're gonna open that up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll get to the tearing. I'll do the muscles.
Okay, so then after you take this off, you're gonna see inside you have all of the cardboard pieces. And then everything else comes inside here. The first one that we see obviously is the house. So this one's the house, and then you punch out the cardboard. This one looks like, I think this one's the RC car. This one's part of the fishing rod.
Wait, I think so?
Yeah,
Okay, you can see the little icons here. So
I think this one comes with the fishing rod.
And Liv, you said that the fishing rod would probably take the longest to build.
It looks like it might take the longest. I think the piano might actually be the longest because you have to make all the individual keys for the piano and put them together.
Oh my god.
So.
Oh, okay. So then you can see, like on the box, it has all the different kits, and then it has the icon that goes with them. And then you have here on the box where you have the letter for each.
Definitely
each
part of the house for sure.
icon.
This one's part of the house for sure. I can tell. So you have to build all this. It is a bit time consuming to build them, but that's basically the main fun of it.
Woo! Oh, there you go. That one has a little motorcycle on it.
Yeah, this one's for the racing. Okay. Okay, so.
Okay, there you go. And then the rest that's the last one, right? The piano's the last one.
Yeah, the piano. And the piano comes with a lot of stuff. Yeah, definitely. Whoa. As you can see, all the pieces are in here. I'm just kind of going to flip through them. There's a lot.
Too.
So I'm going to stack everything back inside, and then we're going to start with the first one. So the first thing that we're going to have to do with the Nintendos for this Nintendo Switch game is we're going to have to put the Nintendo Switch cartridge inside of the Nintendo Switch, and it is going to give us instructions on how to build all of the Labo kits. So we get to pick the Labo kit we're going to build, and then it'll give us instructions on how to do it. And then we punch out all the cards for each one.
Hey guys, this has been a Blood Moon Bobby video. Please like this video or dislike it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.